Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on VIVO Y27. To change the lock screen wallpaper, go to Settings, then go to Lock Screen and Wallpaper, then Wallpaper, Agree. And now you can choose a wallpaper from here or choose local images to select an image from your gallery, or click on download more to find more wallpapers. I'm gonna just choose any of those, maybe this one, then click on apply. And you can apply it to lock screen, to home screen, or both. I'm gonna just apply it to lock screen. And now, as you can see, the home screen is unchanged, but the lock screen is changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.